Hi, this is the HOTWAV T5 Pro and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first open the Play Store application and then in the search pool enter the Ampere. Be sure that you're connected to the internet. Now just tap the install button to get this application and wait a couple of seconds. Then just tap to open the app, click to OK to close, yes, I agree. And now we could see here information about our battery temperature, and in my case that's 22 and 7 degrees. And also we could find here more information like the battery capacity, voltage, Android version and more other info. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.